All right. Who can read this statement for me? Amir.
I can subtract with regrouping.
I can subtract with regrouping. And what we're going to be looking at is learning how to do is subtract with regrouping. So, I want you to look at this problem up here. $45 minus 37. Everybody should be tracking the easel. Elijah's tracking. Nashay is tracking. I'm going to look at what is my whole number. What am I subtracting? So I'm going to look at the 45. 45 is going to be my whole number. So that's my focus number. That's the number that I'm looking at. That means I have 45 and I'm going to take away 37. So what I need to do for that is to make my place value chart. So when I make my place value chart, I'm going to put my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. Tracking the easel. So this lets me know when I build my whole number, I am going to build it by showing how many tens and ones I have here in 45. Elijah, how many tens do I have in 45?
4.
I have 4 tens. So I'm going to show it with my 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones are there in 45, Nashay?
5.
5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I look, I always start in my ones place. If I look at in my ones place, how many ones do they want me to take away, Amir?
9.
When I look here in this problem, how many ones am I taking away?
7.
7. But do I have enough?
No.
No. So if I don't have enough, I need to go over to my tens. I'm going to do what? Circle and shift, and then we're going to take 10 apart. So that means I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we make sure when we take 10 apart, we put them in 2 groups of 5. So now, who can count? How many ones do I have, Tayshawn?
10. 1.
I have 10, but what do I have up here? Plus the ones I have up here.
5.
So 10 and 5, how many ones do I have now?
15.
15. So on my problem, I'm going to show that by making the 5 into a 15. Now, how many 10s am I left with?
3. So you
3. So I'm going to cross out the 4 and make it a 3 to show I now have 3 10s. Now I'm ready to do my subtraction. So I have 15. I'm taking away 7 of them. Let me take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am now left with a row of 5 plus 3 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Now I have 3. They want me to take away 3. So if I take away 3, what am I left with?
0.
0. I have nothing. See?
So
there's no more. So my answer would be just 8. In front of you, you have a paper in front of you with some addition and some subtraction facts on it. But I want you to focus on number 6. Put your finger on number 6. Find number 6 and put your finger on number 6.
2.
Let's go to number 7. I'm sorry, number 7. Put your finger on number 7. Number 7. Number 7 is 63 minus 56. Now, next to that problem, I want you to draw your place value chart like I did up here. Draw your place value chart like I did up here. Amir is drawing his place value chart. Elijah is drawing his place value chart. Okay, now let's circle our whole number. Our whole number is going to be 63, so circle 63 so we know that's our focus number. Circle 63. Elijah is circling 63. Amir is circling 63. And then we're going to build it in our place value chart. So we don't have any hundreds, we just have tens and ones. How many tens do we have, Lachey?
3. No, 6.
Which one is it? Is it 6 or 3?
6.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones do I have, Elijah? 3. 1, 2, 3. So then when I go back and look at the problem, I have to ask myself, when I look at my ones, if I have 3 ones and I need to take away, do I have enough? Do I have enough? No, we don't have enough. So then that's when we go. Let's go over to our tens place. Circle a 10 and shift it over into our ones. And remember to draw them in groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many ones do I have now, Lachey?
13.
13. So let's show it over here in our problem to show that we now have 13 ones. So how many tens am I left with, Tayshawn? How many tens am I left with?
7.
Let's count them. Count them in your place value chart.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right, because we can't count this one because this one is gone. So we have to show it in our problem. So now we no longer have 6, we have 5. All right, so now let's subtract. 13 minus 6. Let's cross out 6. You do it on your paper. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raise your hand when you have an answer. Amir.
7.
7. Because if we put these in groups of 5, this is 5, 6, 7. If I have 5 and they want me to take away 5, how many am I left with? How many am I left with? Thank you.
You're left with 9.
I don't have anything.
So your answer is just 7.
So my answer is just 7. Okay, now you're going to practice one on your own. Go down to number 9. Put your finger on number 9. Put your finger on number 9. Lachey has her finger on number 9. Tayshawn has his on number 9. When I say go, you are going to look for your whole number, build your place value chart, and use it to solve your problem. All right, go.